Today I'm going to show you my easy strategy to make money with emails and how you can start earning $1,000 or more each month. Alright, now hi, it's Les. If you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll promise you'll learn my simple yet powerful strategy to turn your emails into a cash machine. And to make it even better, I'll be giving you access to a free email marketing masterclass that will take your skills to the next level. So stay tuned for that. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how I create emails that not only get opened but also convert into cash in my pocket. Right? Now, imagine being able to send a few emails and watching your bank account grow. That isn't a fantasy, it's a reality for many successful email marketers. And today I'm going to show you the exact steps to get you there. You see real life examples, actionable tips, and a sneak peek into my exclusive email masterclass. All right, let's get into the first nugget of info. The key to making money with emails lies in understanding your audience and crafting compelling messages that connect closely with them. Now, here's a quick bonus tip for you. Personalization is everything. Emails that address the recipient by their first name and tailor content to their interests have a significantly higher open and conversion rate. Just this small tweak alone can boost your email performance dramatically. Now, let's break down the process into my 3 simple steps. All right. So step 1, build a targeted email list. Building a targeted email list is the foundation of any successful email marketing campaign. Without a list of engaged, interested subscribers, your emails are unlikely to achieve the desired results. Here's how you can build a high-quality email list that will help you make money with your emails. Right? Identify your niche and the ideal audience. This is the first step, is building your email list, is to identify your niche and your ideal audience. Your niche is a specific segment of the market that you can serve better than anyone else. So think about what you're passionate about, what you have expertise in, and where there's a demand in the marketplace. Once you've identified your niche, define your ideal audience. Now consider factors like age, gender, interests, and pain points. Understanding who your audience is will help you create content that resonates with them and attracts them to your email list. Right? Use lead magnets to attract subscribers. A lead magnet is something of value that you offer to potential subscribers in exchange for their email address. It needs to be highly relevant to your audience and provide immediate value to them. Effective lead magnets include things like free ebooks, checklists, templates, webinars, and exclusive content. For example, if you're in the fitness niche, you might offer a free workout plan or a nutrition guide. Now make sure your lead magnet is directly related to what your audience is interested in and address a specific problem that they're facing. Right? Make sure to segment your list to send targeted messages to your email subscribers, dividing your email list into smaller groups based on specific criteria. This allows you to send more personalized and relevant emails to each segment, which can significantly increase your engagement rates. You can segment your list based on a number of things like demographics, past purchase behavior, email engagement, and interests. For instance, if you run an online store, you could create segments for customers who have purchased from you before, and those who haven't, then tailor your messages accordingly to that. Segmenting your list ensures that your subscribers receive content that is tailored to their needs and interests, making them much more likely to engage with your emails and convert. Now, step 2 is craft compelling emails themselves. Once you have a targeted email list, the next step is to craft compelling emails that grab attention and drive action. Here's how to do it. Write attention-grabbing subject lines. The subject line is the first thing your subscribers will see, and it determines whether they will open your email or not. A great subject line is clear, concise, and enticing. It should give the reader a reason to open the email and make them curious about what's inside of your emails. Now, a great tip here is to use action words. Create a sense of urgency and be specific about the value of the email. For example, get 50% off your next purchase, limited time offer, or unlock your free guide to email marketing success. They're both good ones. Now, personalize your emails with the recipient's name and relevant content. Personalization. This goes beyond just using the recipient's name in the email. It's about delivering content that's relevant to their interests and to their needs. Use the data you have about your subscribers to tailor your emails. For example, if a subscriber downloaded a lead magnet, for example, about social media marketing, send them follow-up emails with more tips and resources on that topic. Personalization makes your emails more engaging and increases the likelihood of the recipient taking action, which is what you want. Now, include a clear call to action that guides your audience to the next step. Every email you send should have a clear call to action, one of them, a CTA, that guides your audience towards the next step you want them to take. All right. Now, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a webinar, or downloading a resource, the CTA should be prominent and easy to follow. Use action-orientated language like shop now, register today, or download your free guide. Make sure the CTA stands out visually and is easy to click on mobile devices. Now, finally, step 3, automate and optimize. Automation and optimization are key to scaling your email marketing efforts and maximizing your results. Here's how to automate your campaigns and continuously improve them. Use email marketing tools to automate your campaigns. Email marketing tools allow you to automate your email campaigns, saving you time and ensuring your emails are sent at the right time. The one I use and recommend is System.io. There's a link in the description. You can use this to get started for free. Now, you can set up automated workflows for different segments of your audience. For example, you can create a welcome series for new subscribers, a re-engagement series for inactive subscribers, or a post-purchase series for customers who've actually bought from you. Automation ensures that your emails are sent at the optimal time based on your subscribers' behavior, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Now, A/B test different elements of your emails to see what works best. A/B testing involves sending 2 versions of an email to a small portion of your list to see which one performs better, then sending the winning version to the rest of your list. You can test different elements like subject lines, email content, images, and CTAs. For example, you could test 2 different subject lines to see which one gets a higher open rate, or 2 different CTAs to see which one gets more clicks. A/B testing helps you understand what resonates with your audience and optimize your emails for better performance. Okay? Now, analyze your results and continuously optimize your strategy. Regularly analyzing your email performance is crucial for continuous improvement. Track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, and unsubscribe rates. Those are the things you should be looking at. Now, use the insight from your analytics to identify what's working and what's not. So, for example, if you notice that your open rates are low, you might need to improve your subject lines. If your click-through rates are low, you might need to work on your email content or CTAs. Continuously optimize your strategy based on your results to improve your email performance over time. All right. Now, by following my 3 steps above, building a targeted email list, crafting compelling emails, and automating and optimizing your campaigns, you can create a successful email marketing strategy that generates consistent revenue for you. Now, remember, the key to making money with emails is to provide value to your audience and build a relationship with them over time. If you can do that, you'll be well on your way to email marketing success. And don't forget to sign up for my free email masterclass, where I dive deeper into these strategies and share exclusive insights to help you take your email marketing to the next level. Just click the link in the description to get started. Okay, remember, use a personalized subject line, engaging content, and strong call to action. That's the formula that converts best. All right, so with that, thanks for watching. Make sure to rewatch the video and take notes if that will help you. There's a lot of information there. So if you enjoyed the video and got value from it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now remember, the link for my free masterclass is in the description. Click it now and take the first step on your email marketing journey. See you in the next video. Bye for now, and ciao. Bye-bye.